In real time, in some cases, a business user need to create a purchase requisition without account assignment. That means account assignment category unknown. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show how to create a purchase requisition with account assignment category U unknown and how to convert this purchase requisition to purchase order. Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To create purchase requisition, enter the transaction code ME51N. Now press enter key. First select the document type. Document type I selected NB, standard purchase requisition. Next enter the account assignment U. Just click on this icon or press F4 key from your keyboard. Now select the account assignment U unknown. Just double click on that. Now enter the short text. Short text I am entering office chairs. Enter the quantity I am entering 100 quantity. Enter unit of measure I am entering each, EA. Next enter the delivery date I am entering this date. Enter the material group. Here material group is mandatory. Material group I am going to enter 01. Next enter the plant I am going to enter 1000. Now press enter key. Enter the purchase group I am going to enter 001. Now press enter key. That's it. Now click on the save option. We successfully created the purchase requisition. Now convert this purchase requisition to purchase order. To convert purchase requisition to purchase order, enter the transaction code ME21N. Enter /N ME21N. Now press enter key. First select the document type. PO document type I selected NB, standard PO. Next enter the vendor master or supplier master. Vendor master I'm going to enter 1000. Now press enter key. Enter the purchase organization. Enter purchase group. Enter company code. Now press enter key. Next enter the purchase requisition. Just drag to right side. Here enter the purchase requisition number along with line item number. Press enter key. Drag to left side. In purchase order account assignment, U supports only when we enter the item category, either service or limit. In that case only account assignment U is supported. Now I'm going to change the account assignment. Remove the account assignment U. Enter K for cost center. Now press enter key. Enter the price. For single item I'm going to enter $20. Now press enter key. Enter the cost center. Cost center I'm going to enter 1000. Now press enter key. Now click on check option. Everything is fine. Now click on save option. Yes, our purchase order is successfully created. That's it today video tutorial. If you found this video is useful, don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.